Today, we are going to learn invisible changing yarn. First, add new wool halfway through the single crochet. Crochet through the stitches. Turn the wire and hook it back. Then add new wool. Hook the new wool through the 2 coils. The coil is easy to loosen in this method. You need to hold down to wool threads with your fingers. Yarn change complete. Then continue to crochet single crochets. The second way is to knit a single crochet first. Elongate the thread on the crochet. Take out the crochet. Crochet through 2 coils still hanging from the wool. Then add new wool. Hook the new wool through the coils. Remove the previous wool. Yarn change complete. Then continue to crochet single crochets. How to change the thread of slip stitches. Crochet through the stitches. Hook the new wool over. Then it goes through the coils on the crochet and hooks it out. Yarn change complete. Then continue to crochet slip stitches. Half double crochet. Yarn changing method of double crochet and triple crochet, same as the single crochet.